What's up, guys? I welcome you all to my channel. My name is Alamoda Olorunwa. In this video, I'm going to show you a Nigerian website, a freelancing, a crowdsourcing website that you could get up to 5,000 naira every day by liking posts and subscribe to people on YouTube channel. And also, we have numerous tasks. The only thing you need is to follow the instruction of the employee. Guys, I just want to show you a financial opportunity. Instead of begging for money from your relatives, note that you can do this on your phone or your system. The second site I will show you is just with your phone, and as a little of 5,000 naira you can start online business that will make you to earn 5,000 naira to 150,000 naira every month. You don't have to learn any new skill. What you need is your phone connected to the internet and little 5,000 naira. What you are going to be doing is to be selling internet data cable network. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this business successfully. With these two websites I will show you, you will always have money to spend for your day-to-day activities. Please, I want you to do some things to me. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and also like this video. By this, it will motivate me to produce more video. By and large, I will show you how to start the business, the online business, and also help you to do your business template for free. Just contact me on my WhatsApp. I will do it for you for free. Okay, so back to the tutorial now. The first website, let me go to the first website now. Okay, guys, this is the first website. That is okay. Let me log in now. So we allow it to pop up. Okay, so we allow it to pop up before go. So let me log in. All right, guys, as you can see, this is Naira Workers. Okay, okay, let me log in. It's my login ID. All right, now, so I want to log in now. Okay, guys, this is the app, and this is the app I'm saying since. What we need to do in this app is to, you can see here, hire many random workers like a YouTuber. If you are a YouTuber, you have a video, you want people to watch your video and you want people to like your video, to follow you, you can click on this area. But that is not our area of concentration, but I have to explain it for you for better understanding, to know what it means. That is that, but that is not where we are going to. What I'm really concerned about is this place. Okay, so but before I get to that side, please, if you have logged into your Naira Workers, if you have registered, please, first and foremost, if you get to this, go to the profile. You have to update your profile very well. Please, it's very important. Updating profile is very important. Okay, so that is the first thing to do here. So after that one, after that, you have to come down to this place to perform simple tasks. Okay, so let me show you. All right, guys, this is the app and this is the platform. This is where you make money. You can see all the money here. In a day you can make up to 5,000 naira. You can just be doing all these tasks. You can see this one is 82 naira, 7 naira, this one is 10 naira. But what I want you to do here is just go to the highest paying, you can click on this highest paying, just pay here, and then it will show the list of highest paying by just clicking highest paying here. Okay, all right guys, you can see this is 599, 599, 550, 501. We have numerous job here whereby you can do. So just click on it and follow the instruction of the employee. For instance, now look at this one. This one is help credit make 3,500 in 5 minutes, free 1,000 instant withdrawal. And then so let me click this job now. Okay, as I click this one, as you can see, what is expected from workers, what is expected from you to be doing here is that do not attempt this job if you already have an account. That is instruction number one. The second one is that drop your account details here after the task. For instance, 1,400 naira credit alert and 300 naira when your job is approved on Naira Worker, making it 1,700 naira from me. Following this link, by this link now, copy and paste the link below into your browser to get started. Okay, so to get this started, so that is exactly what you are doing. Follow this instruction very well. When you follow this instruction, after doing this now, so you have to make sure you screenshot your proof of registering with that link, everything. So this is where you can see all this area. This is where you will upload your screenshots. By upload your screenshot and you submit the proof, and then immediately you just be alerting, the money will just be sending to your accounts, but your bank account directly. You don't need much, you don't need to stress yourself. Okay, so let's go back, and then we have a lot of money. Look at this one. This one is PalmPay app, so new user only. Just follow the instruction and you will get a lot of money in this app. Okay, so to withdraw is very simple in this app. Okay, so before Friday, maybe Thursday, you just have to submit your application for withdrawing, but you must have up to 2,000 naira before you can withdraw in this app. Okay guys, so this is the app that can make you rich, can make you have money rather than begging relatives, if you are just be doing this one. Okay, so for this it will help a lot guys. So in this app again, what I want you to just be doing here is that after you log in, you do everything with this app, everything successfully. So in a day, you just have to be coming down to this, maybe just 2 hours, 3 hours to be spending aside from your normal work you are doing. So guys, you are good to go. So that is that for this app now. So the next thing here is to do is to take you back to the next app that I want you to know, the second app. So if you combine these things together, even though if you don't have anything to be doing right now, you don't have anything right now doing, if you are doing these two things together in a day, at least you will succeed and you will have money to spend rather than begging your relative. Okay now guys, so the next thing to do now, I will log out from this site and take you to the next app. Okay, so just be patient. All right guys, so we are moving to the next app now. Okay, so let me go to my browser, and don't forget this app is what we call VTU Empire. So you can see this, welcome to VTU Empire. This VTU Empire, so you can do many things here: buy airtime, buy data. As you can see, data internet is everybody that use this data internet. You don't need to open shop, you don't need to have shop, you don't need to do this, just business template. Your business template, take it across your social media. Okay, and then I've told you that if you don't know how to design your business template, just contact me on WhatsApp. I will do it for you for free. You don't forget that I'm a designer, a graphics designer. So with nothing, I will not collect anything for you. So that is that. For now, let me log into this app and start the tutorial for you. Okay guys, so let's log in now. All right guys. So guys, I've logged into my VTU Empire. So in this VTU Empire, these are the numerous things to do. First thing here is that you can see this account number. You can make a transfer to this account by using this transfer method. This is account number, and then this account number is already linked to your own. It's your own account number immediately you open this account. And don't forget that if you register with this account, so you have to confirm with your email. Your email is going to be sent to you to confirm, and make sure you confirm it before you come down to this app. So you can transfer money as 55,000 naira. By transferring 5,000 naira, you can make a lot of money with this app. For instance, now what you can do in this app is to, you can see everything you can do: airtime top up, buy data and electricity bill, cable subscription and resource checker, bonus to wallet, and then recharge, printing, and my referral. All this referral is make you can make it a lot of money. You can also, if you want many people to use your referral link, you can also go to that naira workers and add it there. Tell them you pay them that 13 naira or this, and by this referral you see that you take a lot of money will be entering your account. Well, not that was my area of concentration. Now, today is just about the buying of data. The data, as you can see here, what you can see here now is that buying data is very low and very cheap. As you can see, this data, Airtel data 500 MB, that is 150 naira, 1 GB is 300 naira, 2 GB is 600 naira for monthly. Okay, you can see now. So you can sell all these data cheaply, very cheap. Is it MTN that you want to buy or whatever you want to buy? All this code is that you can tell the customer that when you recharge for them, they should just dial for MTN star 461 star 4 hash. So all this code is what they will use to to check their balance there. So the MTN data for 1,000 naira is, I think, is just 150 naira. So what you needed most here is your business template. Your business templates, you have to write out everything, how much you are selling, 1 gig, 2 gig, everything like that. And then the 1 gig, at least if you are selling 1 gig at the rate of 250 or 200, 300 naira is better, and then many people will patronize you. Take it across your social media, and in where you are staying in your home, let them know that you are doing this. You can recharge cable, you can recharge many things. Before you know, you will have money. You don't need to beg for people to send you money again. So this is what you have to be doing. You need a business template. You will design, just use it as your profile across your social media. Also, where you stay on your work or your workplace, let them know you do this business. That is all. You will make a lot of profit. Secondly, if you cannot design business templates, I will do it for you free of charge. Just contact me on my WhatsApp. Okay. So aside from this one, so you can also see that all this electricity bill, the resource checker, just go to some secondary school. You can just go to business center to type I buy this thing. So buy resource recharge card for WAEC or anything. Just place it somewhere, and then people will start contact you. Before you know, you will have money to do your day-to-day activities. Okay, so guys, this is what I really do, and then I've confirmed I have a lot of things doing. So I don't like money, so that's why I want you guys to be doing it also. Because many people will just be contact me that we do this, well, Nigeria is do something like that. That's why I want you guys to just combine these two together, even though you don't have anything to be doing. These two app will help you to, to actualize your dream. Okay, so that is that for this app now. Okay guys, so if you have any question to ask, don't forget to just comment below, and then I will ask you, I will respond to everything you want. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you guys, you have to stay tuned for the next video. Peace.